Okay, Nick. I finally got the right pins when I found the documentation for the Toshiba 6560. And these are the pin numbers, and this is what I use to fill in the blocks. And these do not match anything that I found in any of the tutorials with the Mach 3. So I just said, okay, step X is pin 2, and just follow this. And guess what? With the exception of the emergency stop, that doesn't seem to be working, but everything else, all these pins seem to work. And the best description of this is and I did enter those pin velocities. There seems to be a little stuttering when on the y-axis when it's getting started, so I may have to do something about it, making that adjustment on the motor tuning. That's stuttering a bit. Maybe some of the steps I got to put in there. But anyway, and nothing happens on the x-axis. There's no movement on the x-axis whatsoever. So either there's a wiring disconnect somewhere to that, or I did find this exact stepper motor, and I have one coming, and it's the same one over here. So in case the motor is gone, I have a motor coming. It'll be here in about 2 days. But anyway, this seems to there's the y-axis moving. I don't know what that stuttering is. I'll try to do a little better motor tuning, but z-axis sure works pretty good now. So we're getting closer, but again, it was all about finding this document and where the pin should go, and this does not match anything else that I've seen that I downloaded. This is for the controller itself, the 6560. Followed that, and I was able to get 2 axes to work, so now I got to figure out what's wrong with the X. Nothing with the X. Anyway, here we go. Okay, I changed the setting on the y-axis, made it slower. And that seems to take care of that jitter. Yeah, much better. Again, nothing on the X. Okay, so let me just show you the motor tuning. And there, that's the X. The Y, I took that down from about 12 where it was jumping to about 8, and that made it go a lot smoother. So I just need to get the x-axis fixed. So the numbers you supplied me, Nick, were right. The right numbers.